Okay. For this video, I am going to solve a problem about a statically indeterminate truss having one redundant, and I'm going to use the method of consistent deformation. So here's the problem. Determine the reactions and the force in each member of the truss shown using the method of consistent deformation. So if we check the determinacy, there are 6 members, and then there are 3 reaction components. I-add na 6 plus 3, 9. I-compare sa number of equations, number of joints 4 times to 8. So 9 greater than 8. So the truss is statically indeterminate to the first degree. So we have one redundant. Let us start. So let's identify the reaction. So at A, since Hinchman we have vertical and horizontal reaction, and then sa B, roller, vertical reaction lang. So let's assume na upward ang vertical reaction, and then ang RAX is directed to the right. Okay. Summation, let's start with summation of moment about A so that we can solve for RB. So negative 15 times distance 12, 20 is 0, since the line of action of 20 passes point A, and then negative 20 times distance 16, and then plus RB times 16. So we have RB equal to 31.25 kips. And the summation of force vertical, we can solve for RAY. So you have RAY plus RB, 31.25 minus 20 and 20. We have RA equal to 8.75. So upward ni upward kay since positive ang sign. So upward and then upward. For RAX, let's sa mga force sa horizontal. RAX is negative, so it means na directed to the left ang RAX. Okay. Sa mga ni ang reactions, RAY, upward 875, RAX 15 to the left, and RB is 31.25. Okay. This is the real thrust, no? So sa consistent deformation method, we have to choose our primary task wherein we are going to remove the redundant. No? So, real thrust, and, um, we can make BC as our redundant or AD. Okay, for this one, let's choose ED. So, i-remove na to ang AD. So, determinate na ang thrust. And we are going to determine the force of each member. You can use method of joints or labay-labay style. So, ang force na makuha na to will be assigned as is prime. No? Okay, so balance lang. Okay. So, starting at A, we have an upward force of 875. So, it will be balanced by a downward force. Okay. Sa slope sa BC, pwede na 12 over 16, that's 3 over 4. Sige. 875, i-balance ani 8. So this is compression. So the force sa EC is, the force of EC is negative 8.75 or compression. And then for AB, okay, transfer the compression sa joint C. And then sa EB, since left man i-balance siya right. 15 sad. So therefore the force of EB is positive 15 or tension. And then transfer the tension to the left. Yeah. Next is joint D. So natin 24 downward, i-balance yung upward. Compression So negative 20. Okay. And then transfer the with 0 since wala horizontal force. So 0. And then sa joint C, we use components, no? So since 0 man, therefore ang mabalance sa 15 is this one. 15 sa na. To determine the vertical reaction, we can use this one, ratio and proportion. Horizontal, 15 divided by horizontal, 4, and then times vertical, 3, most of na vertical component. 15 over 4, 375. No. 15 over 4, 375 times 3, you have 11.25. Balance ang vertical, 20 downward, and 875 plus 11.25, 20 masad. To determine the force of BC, ratio and proportion again. Ang hypotenuse is 5 man. So, 15 over 4, 3.75 times 5, you have 18.75. Or you can use Pythagorean theorem. Square root of 15 square plus 11.25 square. No? Mao ni ang S prime. Okay? Next is U. Okay? So, sa U, you remove the applied loads and i-replace nimo o duha ka unit load acting at joints A and D since ang member ED man natin gi-remove. Okay? So we apply unit load at joints A and D. This one and this one. Okay, so before we will use method joints, kuha na to ang component niya. And we use again ratio and proportion. The hypotenuse is 5, diagonal. So diagonal meaning 1. So 1 divided by 5.2 times horizontal 4, that's 0.8. And the vertical 1 over 5.2 times 3.6. Sa D, same lang po. Horizontal is 0.8, vertical 0.6. Okay? And we all know na pag ang load nimo, duha ka unit load, ang reaction sa A and B, 0 na. Like for example, if you sum up moment sa A, uh, the unit load at D will pass through A as well as this one. So wala mo balance sa RB. So RAY, RAX, and RB are all equal to 0. Okay, so let's start sa joint A. Okay. So ang mabalance sa point 8 is this one. Right means so left. Point 8 side, that's negative. Okay. And then transfer. And then sa point 6 upward, i-balance o downward. Compression side niya sa negative 0.6. Transfer. Sa D, same lang yan. Left man is so right ni compression yapon. And then sa BD, downward to upward ni 0.6 also. Compression again. And then for the diagonal BC, components of 0.8, 0.8 sad. So same with this one, tension man is so positive 1. So after this one, construct a table, okay? And then you can solve for delta and delta, delta as well as the forces. So this is your table, member, and then S prime, this one S prime, as well as U, okay? And then length, area, and E is given, you know. So length 16, 12, and then diagonal is 20. Pythagorean theorem, 16 square plus 12 square and then square root. The length of the diagonal is 20. And then E is 29,000. Area is also given. We have this one. Okay. So solving for delta, and the formula of delta is this one. S prime UL over E, and then E add na to. So S prime times U times L divided by A and E. So for AB, you have this one, negative 4 over 3,625. For CD, that's 0, and so on. So i-add mo summation dot delta. And for this one, that's U square L over E. So U square times L over EE. And then up to BP. And then you sum up, that would be your delta. So to solve for the redundant, let's use the compatibility equation. Yeah. This will be applied to the redundant delta due to real load. Yeah. I mean, S prime UL over AA plus this one delta times the redundant FED equals 0. Okay. And then we substitute, and then we can solve for FED. Positive, so therefore FED is tension. To solve for the true value of the bar force of all members, we will use this one. S, the true value of the force of the member is S equals S prime plus U times the redundant. So we are going to replace FED by 4.50355. Okay. So you can use the calc mode para mas pas-pas. Like AB, 15 plus 4.50355 times U, negative 0.8, you have this one. And same with the other members. 0 plus 4.50355 times negative 0.8 up to BP. Mauna ni ang correct value sa for sa members. This one. And then the last part here is solve for the reactions. Okay, so for RAY, this is R prime, reaction due to real loads plus reaction due to unit load times redundant. Okay. This is 4 point something. 4.504 for typo. Okay. 4.504, but still 0 lang. And also this one, it's 4.504. Another typo error. And also for RB. Okay, so wrong here. This must be 4.504. Okay. Now, okay. To check these values, you can use any software. So for this one, I'm using the software by Casimali. It's an open software. And money ang answers, no? Member 1, 11.397. And then member 2, CD, 3.603. Compression. And then member 3 is EC, negative 11. No? Raised to 1, so 11.45 to compression. Member 4 is ED. 4.5036 or 4. Member 5 is BC, negative 14.246. And then the last one is BD, negative 22.702. Okay. So that's it. This is the consistent deformation method. Thank you for watching.